back with another interesting makeup video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this DOUYIN makeup look. DOUYIN is basically a makeup look that is of Chinese origin, and it kind of looks like this. As you can see, it's very glowy, very aesthetic, very like doll-like, and it's actually very easy to create as well. And the thing that I like about this look is that it has so much of glitter, so much of color. It's very pretty, okay, and it suits every single skin tone, every single texture, everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to create this DOUYIN makeup look very easily, very simply. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with moisturizer. Now, as I don't have a proper concealer, I'll be using foundation and mix it with compact powder and apply it under my eyes, and then I'm gonna apply foundation. Next, I'm going to set my face with compact powder. Next, I'm taking this neutral shade and applying it all over my eyelids as a base. And then I'm taking this light shade and mix it with this shade and apply it again on my eyelids as a base. Next, I'm taking this brown shade and applying it on this area of my eyes. Also applying it on my under eyes. Now I'm taking this type of a brush and taking the brown shade, I'll do my aegyosal. In order to do the aegyosal, you just have to squint your eyes and then trace the crease that forms underneath your eyes. Next, I'm going to take a glittery shade and apply it in the middle. Now I'm going to take this glittery shade in a flat brush and I'm going to draw an arc from the inner corners of my eyes to the lid. Now taking this pink glitter shade and applying it on the middle of my eyes in a dab motion. Now I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow and use it as a contour. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. Now here I sort of messed up my eyeliner and also ruined the look basically, but it's my first time so I can't help it. I am going to do this again and make sure I do it perfectly that time. Now applying mascara. Now I'm going to apply blush. So a special feature of the DOUYIN makeup is that they apply their blush on the center of their cheeks and just under their eyes. So I have tried doing exactly that. Also applying it on my nose and on my chin. One of the most crucial parts of the DOUYIN makeup is their highlighter. They apply a heck lot of highlighters. So I'm going to use this shade of highlighter, not exactly white, it's a pinkish shade, and apply it on my nose, on my cheekbones, under my eyebrows, and also on my cupid's bow and chin. Another important part of the DOUYIN makeup is their lips. They do a very beautiful gradient lip. So in order to get the gradient effect, I'll be applying this dark maroon shade on just the inner parts of my lips and then blend it properly. Now I'm taking this dark red shade and then applying it again on the inner parts of my lips. After that, I'll be using a gloss and apply it lightly on my lips to blend everything together. Now I'm going to wear these beautiful earrings and this beautiful chain, and now we're ready. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful as well. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this look and would you try it. Also, you can give me suggestions on my next video. So yeah. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.